Hello, calculus fans. Let's compute I cross j and j cross I. Now, I and j both have length 1, and the angle between them is pi over 2. So the right-hand rule tells us that the unit vector perpendicular to I and j is k. So I cross j is equal to the length of I times the length of j times sine pi over 2 times the vector k. And everything here in parentheses is just equal to 1, so we just get k. Here's the picture. K is I cross j. If we go the other way, if we do j cross I, the vector has to go in the other direction. So j cross I is actually equal to negative k. So that's what happens when we're applying the right-hand rule in reverse. N is going to point downward, and that's how we get negative k. So j cross I is negative k. Now notice that we got different values for I cross j and j cross I. I cross j, we got k. J cross I, we got negative k. So that tells us that the cross product is not commutative. Commutative means it doesn't matter what order you do the operation. For instance, ordinary addition of real numbers is commutative. 3 plus 8 is the same thing as 8 plus 3. It even works for ordinary multiplication. 3 times 8 is the same thing as 8 times 3. But not so for cross products. If you do some similar calculations, you can find out that j cross k is I, k cross j is negative I, k cross I is equal to j, and I cross k is equal to negative j. In fact, the right-hand rule shows us that b cross a is the negative of a cross b. When you cross two vectors in the opposite order, then you just get the negative of what you would have gotten. Here's another standard algebraic law that doesn't work for cross products, the associative law. In general, a cross b cross c is not the same as a cross b cross c. Now, when you have ordinary addition or ordinary multiplication, it doesn't matter which way you add things up. It doesn't matter how you group them, you'll get the same answer. Not true with the cross product. So, for example, I cross j. If you do the I cross I first, you're going to get 0 cross j, which is 0. But if you go the other way, you'll get I cross and then I cross j. I cross j is k, and so you end up with I cross k, which is negative j. So it does matter what order you do cross products, whether you group them with the first two going first or the second two going first. There's actually a lot of algebraic properties that do hold. We'll check those out next. This is kind of like when you watch those TV shows when they say, next time on Calculus Fans. Okay, that's all for now.